This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to freely move images anywhere in Google Docs. Okay, so I have an untitled document open here. I've just got some placeholder text I found online, and I've added this image right here of this mountainscape from Unsplash. So the image has been added at the bottom. You might find yourself in a situation where you have an image here, but maybe you want to have it, just before that paragraph, just before this title or something right here, this understanding fiction, writing mode title, or let's just say you want it up slightly higher and just after that paragraph. So these are small paragraphs here. So what we can do, we can highlight the image. Now very simply, we have all our usual rotation type stuff that we can do right here, but what we can do is we can literally just drag the image, and you'll see that the cursor adjusts, so we get that kind of blue line that you can see there. That is showing that the image will be placed just after that paragraph. When you let the mouse go, the image has now moved up. So you can do that as high up as you want, anywhere you want in your document. You can see I'm dragging. I'm holding the left mouse button, I'm literally just dragging, and I can see that I want it here just after the G of storytelling. I can let go, bam, the image is inserted exactly where I want it, just above this heading right here, understanding fiction, writing mode. We now have our image there. You can do this anywhere in your documents. You will literally just highlight your image. You will see that you have the north, south, east, west kind of arrows. You will then hold your mouse button and you will follow the cursor to show where it is going to drop. Once you release your mouse button, that will drop. And obviously you can do this on a laptop as well, just by holding and dragging in the usual way that you would for moving something around, like a folder or an image on your screen. That is how you will freely move an image around on Google Docs, anywhere in your document. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.